Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It's Friday, October 9th. I'm just going to go over the markets with you. We did have a crop report come out at 11 o'clock today. Once again, it followed the trend of being really a non-event report. Not a whole lot of news came out of it. You did have a couple surprises, but they weren't big surprises by any means. Corn closed down 8.5 cents, which is in itself a little bit on the surprising tone. I don't think a lot of people were expecting corn to close lower. You didn't get an unfriendly report by any means. You could have had some short coverings. I wonder if people might be speculating a little bit that you might grow carryout in the months to come. They did increase corn yield, and that was, I think, one of the bigger surprises. People were not expecting that, and you did come in here and take it to 168. You got a carryout of 1.561 billion bushel carryout, and so you did actually decrease carryout, so you had that there, but overall it just looked like corn ran out of steam. People wanted to sell it, and you ended up 8.5 lower for the day. That's down 6.5 cents on the week. Moving over into the bean market, bean closed up 4.5. That is off their high of the day though. At one point they were up about 10 to 11 cents. They once again did not get anything friendly out of the report or negative. They did increase yield just slightly, 0.1 bushel per acre. So people were expecting that increase actually, and you came in here with a 425 million bushel carryout. That is a decrease from last month, and people were expecting that. So really you didn't get a whole lot of news out of soybeans, but they did seem to want to go higher out of the report and faded into the close just a little bit. That actually puts them up 11.5 cents on the week. Moving into the wheat market, you finished anywhere from steady to down 3 cents, and that's actually how you were on the week. So not a whole lot of movement as far as the wheat goes. 861 million bushel carry out there. There is not a whole lot of information coming out into the wheat markets. It does seem like you're still domestically priced higher than the world market, and so you had some export issues there, but overall no information. Moving into the meat markets, mixed trade there, live cattle mixed, trading both sides, feeder cattle up just over $1. It did look like you had cash trade today at 125 to 127 live. And so you saw that trade there. Lean hogs were mixed. Outside markets were pretty quiet. The dollar was 61 cents lower, so that was supposed to lend some support to commodities, but you just had a report that trumped that. And so moving forward, what we're going to see is harvest. We're going to see the harvest come along. That's moving very quickly. We're staying above average pace on that, and you should continue to see those yield reports come in, and then you're not going to have another crop report for another month from now. But overall, these markets are just confirmed to continue to trade into the ranges that they are trading in. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.